How you guys doing? We're about to bust open this Crown Zenith mini tin. Let's see what we get. Ended up getting this at Walmart. Thought it was pretty cool, and I know the Crown Zenith, they've been having some pretty good pulls. Looks like I got 2 of the cards. And 2 mini tins. No coin in this one, I guess just a sticker and a card. I got that good old code card. I still like the 4 from the back. It's a little bit different than the Scarlet and Violet, but it gives you that, you know, the little extra effort to open up the pack. You got the Energy, the Great Ball, Bisharp, Graveler, Galarian Meowth, Energy Retrieval, Shinx, Larvesta, Pawniard. Okay, we got the Cricketune, Galarian Gallery, and then a holographic Beatty with the signature. This is actually the first signature card I got. Let's open up the second. Got that good old code card. Steel Energy, Soul Rock, Crocorope, Luxio, Chatot, the Galarian Mr. Mime, Snorunt, Rockruff, Tangela, Chatot, Reverse, and we got that Scizor. That's the rare. Not some bad pulls in this. I would say head out. If you come across these, the Crown Zenith, they always got some good pulls, and I think it's worth the money. Have a good one.